welcome back dear students. In this class we will discuss selection of variables, bases, weights and Fisher's ideal index number. So selection of base year. So while preparing the index number, first difficulty arises regarding the selection of base year. The base year should be of normal year, but it is difficult to find out a fully formed normal year free from any unusual happening. There is every possibility that the selected base year may be an abnormal year or a distant year, or may be selected by an immature or biased person. Selection of weights. Another important difficulty that arises in preparing the index numbers is that of assigning proper weights to different items in order to arrive at correct and unbiased conclusions. As there are no hard and fast rules to weights for the commodities according to their relative importance, there is very likelihood that the weights are decided arbitrarily on the basis of personal judgment and involve biasness. Selection of variables. The selection of the representative commodities is the second difficulty in the construction of index numbers. With the passage of time, the quality of the product may be changed. If the quality of the product changes in the year of inquiry from what it was in the base year, the product becomes irrelevant. The relative importance of the certain commodities may change due to a change in the consumption pattern of the people in the course of time. For example, Vanaspati ghee was not an important item of consumption in India in the pre-war period, but today it has become an item of necessity. Under such conditions, it is not easy to select the appropriate commodities. Now, the Fisher's ideal index number. Fisher's index is geometric mean of the Lespier and Parshis indices. Reduce the bias inherent in both methods and provide a more accurate measures for price change. As we discussed earlier also in construction of methods of index numbers, that Fisher's index number is Lespier into Parshis index. Each of these methods has its own advantage and limitations. The choice of method depends on the nature of data, the purpose of analysis and the available information. Fisher's ideal index numbers example is, for example, in extreme corner the values of goods are given goods 1, goods 2, goods 3. Suppose it is rice, wheat and pulses. So in 2004 the consumption of the quantity of the goods 1 is 5 kg. In goods 2, for goods 2 it is 8 kg and for goods 3 it is 6 kg. The prices given was 10, 6 and 3 respectively. For goods 1, goods 2 and goods 3 the quantity consumed were 4, 7 and 5 kgs and the prices were 12, 7 and 4 rupees. So we know that Fisher's price index is given by P01 is equals to summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. So P01, when now we will put the values of P01, summation of P1 Q0. Here in the question, now what we will do, we will construct 4 more columns, that is the combination of, as you know, the base year is 2004 and the quantity is Q0 and prices is P0 for 2004. For 2014, the quantity is Q1 and prices are P1. So now we will construct 4 more columns along with it, P0 Q0, P0 Q1, P0, P1 Q0 and P1 Q1. So after calculating that, you will obtain the values, that is P01 is equals to 83.59. Hence the Fisher's price index is 83.59. Now why the Fisher's formula is called the ideal index number? The Fisher's formula is called the ideal because of the following reasons. It is based on geometric mean, which is considered best for constructing index numbers. It fulfills both the time reversal and factor reversal test. It takes into account both current year as well as base year, prices and quantities, and it is free from the biasness. In conclusion, we can say that index numbers are powerful tools that facilitates the analysis of changes in various economic and non-economic variables. By understanding the methods of constructing index numbers and their applications, all of you can develop a solid foundation for data analysis and decision making in the business world. Thank you.